Hello everyone and welcome. Today we're diving into an explainer of a truly fantastic 10-part tutorial called Generative AI for Everyday Life, a friendly guide for older adults. This was put together by Virtualization Options LLC, a research and education group out of Colorado, and it's tailored explicitly for curious, confident older adults who are ready to explore the future, completely on their own terms. So let's get right into it.
What I absolutely love about this material is how incredibly stress-free and non-technical it is. I mean, there is absolutely no complicated computer code to memorize here. They've even designed the whole thing to be fully ADA compliant, using nice, large fonts so it's super easy on the eyes. The entire goal is simply to empower you to learn about this exciting new technology at your own comfortable speed.
So, I want to toss this warm question right over to you. Are you ready to explore the future at your own pace? Think of this less like some formal, stuffy lecture and much more like a friendly, guided conversation. We're going to focus strictly on how this tool can add real value, joy, and a whole lot of convenience to your everyday life.
Chapter 1, What is AI anyway? Meet your smart helper.
Okay, let's strip away all those crazy science fiction movies for a second. At its core, artificial intelligence is really just a computer program that understands your questions and then answers you in everyday language. It's just like having a real conversation. And that's the absolute game changer here. AI speaks plain English. You literally just type or speak to it exactly the same way you talk to a friend sitting next to you on a park bench. The tutorial offers this brilliant metaphor that I just have to share. AI isn't some scary, emotionless robot trying to take over the world. Not at all. Instead, think of it as a super knowledgeable friend who just happens to have read millions and millions of books. Imagine you've got a buddy sitting at your kitchen table who has perfectly memorized every encyclopedia, every recipe book, and every history text ever written. When you ask them a question, they just instantly summarize what they've read. That is generative AI in a nutshell. Building on that whole helpful friend idea, AI is always available to chat. Any time of day, absolutely no appointment needed. And this really highlights its immense convenience and, frankly, its endless patience. Say you can't sleep at 3 a.m. and you suddenly want to know the entire history of your favorite jazz musician. AI is awake and ready. Or maybe you need a substitute for baking powder right in the middle of a recipe. It's right there for you. It never, ever gets tired, no matter how many questions you throw its way. Chapter 9, AI and Your Family. Connecting generations through technology. Now, we're shifting gears to look at the emotional payoff of this technology, which is honestly my favorite part. On one hand, you have the beautiful, timeless tradition of writing a heartfelt letter. On the other hand, you've got the fast-paced, modern world of video games. Sometimes it feels like those two worlds are just light years apart, right? You want to connect on a deep level, but the younger generations are often glued to their screens. Well, AI can actually serve as the ultimate bridge between these two very different worlds. For instance, you can ask AI to help you craft letters, poems, or even little stories to share with your grandchildren. We all know the feeling of having so much love in our hearts, but staring at a blank page can be super intimidating. You can literally tell your AI, hey, I want to write a warm, encouraging letter to my granddaughter who's just starting college, and boom, it will instantly draft a beautiful starting point. From there, you just tweak it, add your personal flair, and then write it out by hand. It's that easy. Or, you can cross that bridge from the complete opposite direction. You can use AI to learn about the topics your grandkids love just so you can connect with them better. If your grandson is absolutely obsessed with Minecraft, you can just ask your AI helper, can you explain the video game Minecraft to me in really simple terms and maybe give me 3 fun questions I can ask my grandson about it? Instantly, AI becomes your personal cultural translator, giving you the confidence to jump right into their conversations. Before we wrap things up today, I definitely want to give a huge shout out to the folks who created this fantastic material. This highly practical advice comes straight from Virtualization Options LLC, which is a Colorado-based technology research, education, and advisory organization. They have done a truly incredible job taking a complex topic and distilling it into a guide that treats older adults with the total respect and confidence they deserve. So I'm going to leave you with this one final empowering thought. Who will you invite to explore AI with you today? Seriously, don't let this be a solitary journey. Invite a grandchild over to sit at the computer with you, ask the AI some funny questions, have it write a goofy poem about the family dog, or just learn about a brand new topic together. It is such a wonderful, modern way to bond. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer, and I will catch you all next time.